Hey everyone, welcome back to Godzilla. Today I'm going to showcase one of my projects. So this will be a project which I have made with group. So it is just for a Smart India Hackathon, and the problem statement which we have chosen is this a real-time disaster information aggregation software. This need to be specifically made for NDRF, and the team which we have is we have named it as Parivartan. It includes 6 members, including me also. So this is the problem statement. Although you can go to the Smart India Hackathon site and check out the problem statement and all the details about it. Now let's get into our project. So the name of our project is Sahayog. As you have heard about my team name is Parivartan, means a change which we want to bring in our society. And the application name is Sahayog, means a support which we can give when a disaster has happened. So it will be a online ecosystem, I can say, instead of just calling it as a web application or mobile application, because it is integration of both of them. We have a mobile application also to gather information. We have a web portal also to showcase that information, and mobile application and this web application combines up and make a ecosystem sort of thing. So now let's get into it. The flowchart which we have followed in this. So first of all, we have to gather information from various sources. So although for right now we can't make a dummy, or we can't post or spam flood in some specific area, or disaster has happened in specific area, so we have made a dummy called off as social media. Along with that, in the upcoming month, if we get a chance to work on it, we will be fetching data from different sources. Like there is from Twitter, we can fetch data from Twitter through X API. Along with that, Graph API is for metadata. So we can take information from there and also from the news channels and all. After that, there will be a web worker which will be placed by us. And what a web worker will be doing is it will be just fetching data in regular interval of time, so that after, just suppose if in 15 minutes we fetch data, so in every 50 minutes from the API, it will fetch new data and post it in our database. Along with that, we have a filter which will be done through machine language model. So what it will be doing is it will be just filtering the data, which whatever the data we are getting. So in the social media, it might happen I will post something related to birthday or something else not related to disaster, and some information might be of disaster, might be just 1% or 2%. So our AI model will help us to filter out that data and then push it in our vector database. After once put it in our vector database, we will push that into our backend servers, and from the servers, it will be shown into front end as an alerts and all those things. And then it will be sent to the agencies from where they can fetch all the data. I have also placed the QR code also. You can scan the QR code, or a link also is there. I will be placing that in the description box so you can go and check out from there. The technologies which we have used is basically for the backend. We have used Node.js and Express. Along with that, LangChain.js is also used for the AI filtering. Along with that, Spring Boot is used for our application, so that to make it robust. Basically, database which has been used, first of all, there is a MongoDB database, NoSQL database, which is for the unstructured data, which we will be getting from the sources. And along with that, there will be MySQL database also, because we want to organize data. So for that, we will be using SQL database for our application and to showcase in our portal. Front end, or I can say the application models in the front end web application will be based on React, and the mobile application will be made on Expo. Along with that, I also want to add on the application which we have made is cross-platform, so you can also use it in your Android and iOS, both of the devices. Next is feasibility and viability. So first of all, there is a huge problems which happened till now to NDRF while any of the disaster has happened. That is, like they can get the information, okay, but what happens during any type of disaster? Just taking case of flood. In that case, communication systems and all things are broken. We can't communicate with public directly. So in that case, our application will be a key factor in that. So what we will be doing is, so we have a live data sharing with NDRF. So what will happen if just suppose in a specific area a disaster has happened? So we can give the details of all the persons live location in that particular area at the time of disaster. So that NDRF will have information of all the users which are in that area. So just suppose what happens to NDRF is if there is any rescue operation which is going on, just suppose in a building collapse it is happening. So they didn't know how many people are at that time in that building. So just suppose there are only 150 people in that building. So what they will do is they will keep on rescuing the people till they find out till the breadth of that building. It is not like even if they rescued 150 people, they will still try to search there. But there is no more people left there. So why we need to search there? So for that particular reason, we have our application. So they can get the data. Okay, in this building, by the time of disaster, there are only 150 people. So if they have rescued 150 people, recovered 150 people, move to the next building. Just simple. Along with that, filtering relevant data from the social media is one of the biggest challenges. Earlier, they had to do manual monitoring, so there will be 5 to 6 people who have to sit whole day and just see in the social media if something is happening here or landslide has happened here and there, then verify that information. But we will be doing this with our AI filter. Next is impacts and benefits. So till now, whatever I have told from there, you can get a brief idea about what will be the impacts of it and what will be the benefits of it. Real time, it will be seamless. Along with that, from the application, we will be getting the live locations and the accurate data. So those all will be the our benefits which we will be delivering through this ecosystem. There are some research and references. You can refer to all these. I will be pasting the link in description. You can go and check out. Now let me show you the demo of how it will be working actually in practical real life. So first of all, let me showcase you with all the codes which has been running right now. So first of all, we have in total we have basically three backends which are running because there are three different modules which we need to make or three different components which we have. So first component is our portal, which will be delivered to NDRF so that they can see what is happening there, alerts and all the reports. Second one is a demo of social media which we have made so that right now I can't make post on Twitter or Instagram or somewhere else showing that okay something has happened. So for that we have just made a demo social media. So there I will be posting right now only in front of you. Like I will be posting some details which are related to disaster and some details which are like not related to disaster, just like I got intern or I got that much profit in my business, something like that, and it will be filtering out in front of you. So for both of them, there will be two front ends, there will be two back ends which are running in front of you. There are total four, I can say the windows which are running in front of you. Along with that, for our application, basically for mobile application, it is running on Spring Boot Java. So it is in front of you. So that's all. And for our front end of app, we are using Expo, so which is running here. So I will be like scanning this QR code. You can also scan this QR code, but it might not work for you right now. So I will show it in front of you, like how it will be working. So firstly, if I go to my portal, so this will be my dashboard basically, which I can show in front of you. So this is one detail which I have posted just before making this video. So here you can see that there are some critical alert, moderate alert, low alerts, which are shown on the previous values which we have already put. So right now you can see that in the recent alert section, there will be a marquee or sort of like a breaking news sort of thing will be moving on, and from there you can get Kangra flood and the time and the location. Along with that, in the report section, you can see there will be a detailed report about this. Although I didn't push something out of the box or very much additional to it. So in details, I will be just getting details of it, the location from where it has happened, and the credibility score and the coordinates of the location. Now let's get into the map overview, how it will be visible to NDRF. So in this map, you can see that at the top, here is our Kangra, where flood has happened. So here you can see flood has happened. Location is this. Description is flood in Kangra, Himachal Pradesh due to cloudburst, and the time is given to us. Now, this will be the portal which will be given to NDRF to check out all the reports. Now, let's get into the our dummy, we can say a dummy application or dummy social media which we have made. So we will be actually this dummy social media is of no use afterwards when we fetch data from social media directly. But right as of now, you can see I have just posted a normal post like I'm selected as intern at Lois. One I have posted like flood in Kangra due to cloudburst, help needed. Now let me post something else. First of all, I will post something related to the like disaster. So I will write instead of flood, I will write landslide. Landslide in where I can place. I can. paste it Shimla, hashtag Shimla, or due to heavy rain. So this is what I have posted. So similar to this, there will be more detailed post even. So I have just pasted a smaller one. Even in the social media, they will post more detailed one. Then it will be way more informative. So I will post this. Okay, I think I have to log in again. So I will go here, log out, and then we can log in again here. Or let's register again. I will be naming myself as Satyam Sharma. Password will be random password I can put although registered. We have registered successfully. Now let's post something that is landslide in Shimla due to heavy rain. Let's post this. So it has been posted successfully. So earlier was from Satyam Work. So I have made different IDs right now. So it is just like a demo social media which I have told you. So this is what I have posted. Let me post something else also. That is my birthday. Hello everyone. Today is my birthday. So I will post this also. I will post another thing that will be related to something else. I bought a new car or new hashtag car. So there will be sort of information like we got in social media. So if someone is sitting here and he have to filter out, so he can see okay landslide happened in Shimla due to heavy rain, or I have bought a new car also. So they have to filter out manually. But with our application, what you can see here is in our portal that specific information got filtered out, and that's what will happen here. You can see in the reports also there a report is generated landslide in Shimla Himachal Pradesh, although I didn't even write Himachal Pradesh. So here you can see Kangra Himachal Pradesh flood, Shimla Himachal Pradesh landslide at this specific time, which is shown in red color means it has happened just now. Along with that, in the report section you can see flood is written at the top for the previous information which I have posted today only at 10:20 a.m. But for landslide, right now I have posted landslide in Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, India due to heavy rain, which is visible here. So if I post something else, let's post something related to another disaster. Let's post something related to flood again. Okay, so if I will write hashtag flood in uh, Chennai, flood in Chennai due to storm or due to heavy rainfall or something like that, due to dam collapse. And let's post this and post something else also, which will be more related to our day-to-day activity. Like I have 3 bitcoins. Just like in social media we can get anything. So it I have posted the similar only. I have 2 bitcoins. Let's post this and check it in our system. So here you can see that right now the post will be given to us. Let's see if we get a flood or detail in our portal. So yeah, you can see that Chennai Tamil Nadu flood, and what I can see is I can see here in flood has happened in location is given to us Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Time is given to us. Description is given to us. Flood in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India due to dam collapse. Although what I want to showcase you is in my post, even if I put something wrong, some wrong details like bit of words here and there, which happens a lot in social media, in the collapse you can figure out the collapse spelling is wrong here when I did a post, but when we show it in our portal it is accurate. So it happens because of the AI which we have integrated here. Along with that, in the details section, I can go and see whatever the media which has been posted, and the map overview. You can go here and check the points which has been marked. So in Chennai, if I click on Chennai, I will be getting alert of flood alert. Chennai, Tamil Nadu, flood happened due to dam collapse. So they will be getting the map overview of India. Right now, you can see the three details which I have posted. One is in Kangra, one is in Shimla. So if I post of Shimla it will be showing. So I can go to Shimla, I can check that specific location, what has been happening here, and that's all our application will be working on. Now let me showcase you our mobile application also, and how it is working. So for that, let me go to my this phone mirroring, start phone on this on my mobile only. Yeah, so this is the mobile application. I will go to my VS Code and scan this QR code first. Let me take it here. So you can also go to App Store and install an app named Expo Go. And here you just need to click on Expo Go and scan this QR code, and we will be able to see an application running in our system. So this will be that application. Let's see if it works. Yeah. So in front of you, you will get two buttons for sure. If you are first time registering, just click on the register, enter in your details. Right now, I have removed all the registration information. You didn't need to register or log in. You can directly access the information. So along with that, in this, what will happen if I belong to some specific organization, like right now I'm in Chitkara University as a student. So if I belong to a organization, so I can go here, I can select the education sector. I can post the organization named as Chitkara student, and then I can confirm the information, attach a file, and file I can also attach one of my screenshots of my ID card or something like that, and then I will submit this. So what will happen if in case of any of the disaster has happened, and I want NDRF want to reconfirm that information, because someone can spam also in social media. But what we will be giving NDRF detail of all the persons in that specific area which are verified. So once I have got verified or I have registered with the organization ID, NDR can directly contact me and verify is that happened in your area. If I say yes, they can re-verify it, or if I say no, they can re-verify and cancel the application or the request of that disaster. So if I will click on login, it will for sure ask for my location because it has the location access also. And here you can see that the overview which has been written, the location will be tagged in front of you, the alerts will be shown to you, the recent updates will be shown to you, weather reports will be shown so that you can check on the weather and all. Along with that, there will be information center. So if I will click on information center, based on my live location, my all the police station, all the fire department, all the hospital details will be shown in front of you, and that's how you can gather all the information. So even if the connectivity is gone, you will still have the information related to all the agencies, like police department of your nearby area. In the disaster guide, if a disaster has happened, in that case you can refer to this disaster guide because internet is gone. So if you are stuck in an earthquake or in a flood, so you can check out what are do's and don'ts which you have to follow in this situation. Emergency helpline number, if you have your phone and network is internet is not working but you can call someone, then you will be getting number of all the emergency contacts like NDRF, medical emergency, fire department, police department, disaster management of center and state, all of them. In the bottommost section, you can click and you will be able to see your live location which has been pinned here. So NDRF can have accurate data like where I'm sitting right now, Chitkara University, Baddi. So that's how this whole application and this whole web portal will be working to make everything work seamlessly and work absolutely fine. So that's all about our application project. So I hope you liked it, and that's all for the video. Thanks for watching.